Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's finally Friday. Overcast here in Chicago. A big storm system is right over the center of the country and should provide some rain today for parts of Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, and the northern Delta. This front will slowly move out of the Midwest this weekend. The key right now in prices, especially in the corn market, is next week's forecast. And we start out dry for most of the week, and then the two maps that are mostly watched are completely opposite of each other. One's got a big rain event, again moving across the Midwest next weekend, and the other one moves the system much faster and it is a much smaller event. So Monday's trade, especially in the corn market, is going to depend upon the actual forecast Sunday night and Monday, whether this second rain event does show up on the maps or if it's not there. Some people think that we have got some corn planted over the last few days and are guessing that maybe U.S. corn plantings will be closer to 15, maybe even 18 or 19% on Monday. This still is behind 71% last year and 50% normal, but is getting a little bit closer to the record slow pace of 1993. As far as the outside markets, most commodities are higher, led by copper. That's offering some support to the marketplace. But I think right now the market's a little bit nervous about taking any big positions one way or the other going into a critical weather weekend and forecast for next week. The annual Kansas wheat tour found 313 million bushels in Kansas wheat, down from 380 last year. The Oklahoma crop is also smaller. One private crop group is going to come out with their estimates this morning with the winter wheat crop number versus last year, and that could have an impact on wheat prices. We did see some export data out of Brazil showing almost record soybean exports in the month of April. That has been causing a little bit of weakness in the nearby soybean spreads and soybean market. Cash, though, values in domestic soybeans are still high because of a strong need for the crush. Their exports in April in corn slipped lower from March, but their second crop should be coming on in June and July, and you could see a pickup in their competition for U.S. exports. As far as global weather is concerned, not a lot of concern around the world except dryness in Australia and a little bit of dryness in Russia. But USDA will be coming out with their first guess for next year's world production and world S&Ds on May 10th, which will be a big day for the marketplace. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
I mean, literally, you had a $4